Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about the big news surrounding the crypto world with Binance execs leaving the company over CZ's handling of the DOJ investigation. Now, this is some FUD that's been going on today, and again, a lot of people have differing opinions, but the reason it's made such a stir is the three senior officials that have departed have actually been the Binance General Counsel, the Chief Strategy Officer, and the Senior Vice President for Compliance. It says these three are among those that have resigned, a source familiar with the matter told Fortune. In addition, Binance's Global Vice President of Marketing and Communications, Steve Milton, left the company in June, according to his LinkedIn profile. Their departure follows Senior Director of Investigations, Matthew Price's recent decision to part ways with the exchange. Now, again, this sounds very bad, and it probably is. The big reason is because you have basically the DOJ accusing Binance of, doing a lot of illegal activities, and when you have the compliance, the president for a senior vice president for compliance actually leaving, that doesn't set a good precedent. Again, not trying to spread FUD, just going over the different facts right now. Now, with that said, Patrick Hillman, who is actually the chief strategy officer, says, "Apology for any typos. It's true that I'm leaving Binance, but I'm doing so on good terms. I continue to respect and support CZ, and I'm grateful for having had incredible opportunity." And then it says here, Binance is already under investigation from multiple regulators around the world, and exodus of executives from the company's legal and compliance units is likely to complicate its efforts to defend itself. So again, in June, you had the SEC suing Binance, saying that it had committed 13 counts of security law violations. And then 2 months earlier, the company faced a lawsuit from the CFTC, and they also faced several investigations led by regulators in Europe and Australia. So again, this is a pretty big deal with those people leaving from the company. Now, you go to CZ's Twitter, and he posted this about 4 hours ago. He said, "There's more FUD about some departures. Yes, there's turnover at every company, but the reasons dreamed up by the news are completely wrong." And then he talks about basically they grew, really fast in a short period of time. And he says, as the organization evolves, there's turnover at every company. We thank all of our ex-team members for their contributions to our growth. Wish them all the best. Now, he didn't mention exactly who, but then below that, someone says the General Counsel, Chief Strategy Officer, and SVP of Compliance all resign in the same week. CZ 4. So again, 4 meaning don't believe all the FUD. That's kind of his thing that he's known for. Anytime there's a lot of FUD, he just says 4 and to ignore all the FUD. Okay, and then CZ said definitely false. Only 1 this week. They exaggerate everything. So again, he didn't say these people didn't resign at all, but he just said only 1 resigned this week. So the others probably resigned a couple weeks prior or a couple months prior. But nonetheless, it is something to be concerned about. I would say, in my opinion, if I was still using Binance, be careful. Don't keep anything on the exchange that you aren't willing to lose. Probably start withdrawing it just to be safe. Again, we know what happened with FTX whenever there's a lot of FUD and a lot of things going around with them. So I would definitely not take this lightly. But again, it could just be some FUD, and we could bounce back. And that's actually what Pentoshi was saying. Anyone who hasn't followed him on Twitter, guys, over 700,000 followers, very, very good TA person and fundamental analysis person as well. But he said, in the event that this happens, where it says took small 6-week parlay, the official DOJ investigation into Binance, TUSD DPEG plus ETF approval, he thinks there's going to be a V-shaped recovery from there. And basically what he says is, hey, all this stuff has been, causing FUD in the market. The faster this gets taken care of, so investigation into Binance gets taken care of, as well as the TUSD DPEG, then with the ETF approval, it'll be clear skies for big players to invest, and they are ready on the sidelines, ready to go. So again, that's a big thing, and you can already see today, we already had a little bounce. Again, Bitcoin's back above 30,000. There was some FUD when it went below 30,000 because that's a big support level for it. And then BNB was encountering some more volatility as well. It's back at 234. And just looking at a quick chart, again, not going to pull up TradingView, but as you can see on the 1-year chart, this 225 level is pretty big support over the past year. So again, we did keep that, which is good. Now going on the full charts, you can see 200 is actually a big bounce level as well. So really, if it loses 200, it won't be looking good at all for BNB, but really want to keep this 225 level, which has shown a lot of support actually over the past year. So keep that in mind if you're looking at buying some BNB. Again, not financial advice with that. So hopefully I explained some good stuff to you in this video. Hopefully I enlightened you a little bit. Again, I know there's a lot of stuff going around, a lot of FUD being spread. I just wanted to clear the air with what's been going on. Again, I'm not one side or the other, but I do like to be cautious in terms of uncertainty. And always, again, like I said, take your money off the exchange if you haven't. And if you do keep it on there, make sure you're ready to lose it if funds do get frozen or if anything else happens. So With that, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. I really appreciate it. And please let me know what you want me to talk about next. If you have any ideas, again, trying to keep this channel going with interesting and up-to-date content. So till next time, thanks for watching.